Is your Apex Legends show you low and unstable ping while playing games with your Wi-Fi or mobile data? Recently, many Apex Legends users have been complaining unfortunately their internet is not stable on their Apex Legends while playing games. Now to solve your low ping problem, watch this video to learn a quick way to solve internet not working or low ping or low MS issues in Apex Legends. So let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer Option, scroll down. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose Always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Apex Legends apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, go back, scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Apex Legends, and quickly check for a new software update for your Apex Legends application. Now go back to and open Apex Legends. Now try to play the Apex Legends games and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have the issue with the low ping issue with Apex Legend on your Android. Thanks for watching.